Good morning. This is Brenda with Holistic Radiance Coaching and Whole Food Plant-Based No Oil Education and Support Plant Pure Pod. And this morning's brunch bowl is called Celestially Citrus. It's got a orange in it and a mango and a grated apple and a cup of variety grated veggies and sprouted black soybeans and sprouted mung beans and a half cup of goji beans and a cup of cashew milk and a half cup of broccoli sprouts. And I think that's it. Oh no, a tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses and a quarter cup of hazelnuts and a tablespoon of flax meal. Bye.